Hey, if you want to change icon style on your POCO C75, you don't have to apply the whole theme into your phone. So let me show you how it actually works. You will have to start by opening settings. Now, when you are here, you will have to go into themes. And right now, just select any theme that you want to apply right now. And you will have to just click on it and basically check how the icons looks. If you enjoy, for example, these icons, you can simply go back. Of course, we'll have some pop-up ads, but don't worry, we are gonna turn them off after a few seconds. There we go. And now, once you actually open this theme, click on the download button, wait for downloading. It will actually take around a few moments. Now click on Customize and unselect Lock Screen, Home Screen and System. Then you will have to click Apply, and after applying process, take a look. You'll only get new icons. So as you can see, your wallpaper, the clock and other things stay with the default icons.